Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn chapter 14, has, have and had. In this chapter, we will learn where to use has, have and had. So let's start. We use has with he, she, it or any singular noun. Where to use has? We use has with he, she, it or any singular noun. Like he has a toy car. She has a red dress. It has 4 legs. And with any singular noun, a boy. Boy is a singular subject. So a boy has many storybooks. A student has fever. A student has fever. And we use have with I, you, we, they or any plural noun. Plural noun means like boys, students. Okay, so see few sentences here. I have a storybook. I have a storybook. You have a cute teddy. We have a big playground. They have a big house. The boys have a match today. The students have done their work. So we use have and has with these subjects. Okay, dear students, has and have many meanings. Okay, have and has have many meaning, but the primary or main meaning is to own something. Okay, or to possess. Like he has a toy car. Who has a toy car? He. She has a red dress. It has 4 legs. So here he, she, it are owning something. We use had with I, he, she, it, we, you, they. Okay, it means we use had with all the subjects. Okay, so let's see here. Had is used as the past form of has and have. What you have seen here, had is used as a past form of has and have. It means we use has and have in present tense and we use had to show the past tense. Okay? See a few examples. I have a toy car means I own a toy car in a present time. I had a toy car. It means I owned a toy car. Not now. It shows the past time. She has fever today. What she has? She has fever today. She had fever yesterday. Okay? Not now. She had fever yesterday. Now open your book, page number 83. Okay? Remember, use has. Okay? We use has with he, she and it. And we use have with I, you, we and they. Read these sentences. Gautam has a guitar, a piano and a banjo. Namita has 2 brothers. I have a blue gown. Mohit has chicken pox. I have dinner at 9 p.m. You have done your work well. We use has and have to show what Gautam, Namita and I own At this time. At this time means present time. We also use has and have to refer the present tense. Now, see this table, children. He has. She has. It has. Okay? So, we use has with he, she, it. And we use have with I, you, we, and they. Now, read these sentences. Tara had a storybook about a little prince. It means Tara owned a storybook, okay? But now she don't have. Tara had a storybook about a little prince. We had a brown car. Father sold it last year. They had a brown car, but not now, last year, okay? Here we had, it is written had. Had means not now. It shows the past time. Vashu's aunt had a red cycle when she was young. Vashu's aunt owned red cycle, but not now. When she was young. We had eggs and toast for breakfast. They had finished the work when the bell rang. In these sentences, we used had to talk about things that people owned or did before now. Means here had shows the past time. Okay? So now we'll do the book work. Fill in the blanks using has or have. So just remember, we use has with he, she, it or any singular noun, and we use have with I, you, we, they or any plural noun. I. With I, what we use? I have a good art teacher. What we use? I have a good art teacher. She. With she, what we use? Has. She has many brothers. Now see the third question. We a wedding to go to on Sunday. So with we, what we use? We have. We have a wedding to go to on Sunday. With they, what we use? They have a white car. They have a white car. Now you see question number 8. Bob and Mike. Bob and Mike, plural subject. So what we use here? Has or have? We will use have. Okay, Bob and Mike have made a tree house. Now you see this question. Question number 10. My mother. My mother is a singular subject. Okay, with singular subject, what we use? Have or has? Has. My mother has a diamond necklace. Okay. Last question you see. Question number 12. Reena, Neelam and I. Here the subjects are plural. So Reena, Neelam and I have short hair. These questions you do it by yourself. Choose the correct word. Okay. Khushi dash a cold last week. Last week shows the past tense, past time. So we cannot choose has and have because we use has and have in present tense. Okay. So Khushi had. Khushi had a cold last week. We 10 toes. With we, plural subject. With we use have. We have 10 toes. The students to submit their homework today. Today, so we need to choose from has or have. So students shows the plural subject. So with plural subject, what we use? We use have. The students have to submit their homework today. Question number 4. We a power cut last night. We with we, and here last night clue is given. So the past tense, okay, we have to use past word, that is had. Okay, we had. We had a power cut last night. Karan, a smile on his face. So on his face, Karan is a singular subject. With singular subject we use has. Karan has a smile on his face. They a holiday tomorrow. They with they what we use? Have. They have a holiday tomorrow. Rashi an elder brother. Rashi has. Okay, singular subject. So with singular subject we use has. I dash a puppy named Flippy. So what we use here? With I we use have. I have a puppy named Flippy. My cousin dash a leather jacket. He gave it to his friend. So he gave it to his friend shows that the brother owned leather jacket. Okay, my brother owned a leather jacket. So here had we will use. My brother had a leather jacket. He gave it to his friend. We dash a nice time at your birthday party last Sunday. Again, last Sunday is a clue, so we will use had. We had a nice time at your birthday party last Sunday. Our school dash a large swimming pool. Our school have or has? These two questions you try to do by yourself. Choose the correct word. You. With you, what we use? Have or had. Okay, if it is in present tense, then we will use have, or if the sentence shows the past tense, then we use had. You dash a sweet voice. You should be a singer when you grow up. Okay, when you grow up. So it shows present tense. So you have a sweet voice. You should be a singer when you grow up. Second, I dash. With I we use have, okay? Rice and fish curry for lunch yesterday. But yesterday shows the past tense. So we use had. Okay? They has, have, had. With they we use have, but let's see the sentence. They a football match tomorrow. Okay, not yesterday. So we will use here have. Mark has, have, had green eyes. So Mark is a singular subject. With singular subject we use has. Mark has green eyes. Yukti has, have, had won a gold medal for athletics. Okay, Yukti own. So Yukti had. Yukti had won a gold medal for athletics. Now question number 6. Last month we. See, last month, clue is given here. So we will use had. Last month we had a good time at the campsite. So we will use here had. And question number 7, 8, 9 and 10, try to do by yourself. See, connect the boxes to the correct word to complete the sentences correctly. Okay, we need to connect it, means with has, have or had. Here options are given. We need to fill it or connect it, means we will make a arrow. One has been done for you. He a blue car. He has a blue car. Okay, so the first is Shipra. Singular subject. With singular subject what we use? Has. So here we write has and we drag arrow like that. You, to come early to work. So with you what we use? Have. Okay, so we write here have. You beautiful eyes. You have. Again we do like this. I dash a pet cat named Kitty. I have. We dash a science test last Tuesday. Last Tuesday is a clue, so we will use had. We had a science test last Tuesday. Yesterday I dash a chocolate pastry and some wafers at Kabir's birthday party. Yesterday. So this shows the past tense. So we will use here had. They dashed to cancel their plans yesterday. So they had. They had to cancel their plans yesterday. Okay. So thank you children. Try to do few sums I have left for you. So do it by yourself.